welcome back to day 4 of my 30-day English speaking series. If you are watching this video, one thing I know about you, you want to speak English confidently, but your mind keeps translating. Today in this video, we will talk about how to think in English naturally without stress and without force. Why translation is the problem? Let me ask you something. When somebody asks you a question, you understand the question, but your mind goes blank for a second. This happens because your brain is working in two languages, translation slows you down, and that creates fear and hesitation. So, the goal is simple: reduce translation, increase direct thinking. Important truth: let me tell you something honestly. You don't need to think in perfect English, you just need to think in simple English. Thinking in English does not mean big words, complex grammar, native level fluency. It simply means thinking in short, basic English sentences. That's it. Method 1: think in simple sentences. Start very small. For example, right now I am sitting, I am watching this video, I am listening carefully. That's thinking in English. When you wake up, I need to brush my teeth, I need to get ready, I am feeling sleepy. No translation, no pressure, just simple thoughts. Do this throughout the day. Method 2: daily moment commentary. Turn your life into a commentary inside your head. While walking, I am walking, the weather is nice. While working, it is difficult, I will focus. No grammar checking, no translating, just observing in English. Method 3: talk to your reflection. Stand in front of the mirror and talk for 3 minutes or for some time or as per your wish. You can say today was a good day. I tried my best. I will improve. Don't judge your grammar, just speak. Fluency comes from comfort, not correction. Big mistake to avoid. Most people wait to think in English until they feel confident. But confidence comes after practice, not before. Start messy, start slow, start today. Let me remind you, you are not late. You are not bad at English. You are just out of practice. And practice doesn't need hours. Even 10 minutes a day done consistently can change the way you speak. If you show up daily, your brain will slowly stop translating and one day English will come out naturally. This was day 4 of my 30-day English speaking series. If you practiced today, comment day 4 done. Tomorrow in day 5, we will talk about how to improve vocabulary. See you tomorrow. Keep speaking, keep improving. Thank you for watching.